Be on the lookout for more beautiful and fluffy cumulonimbus clouds on Friday over central and eastern South Africa. But do remember, those are the type of storms which could become severe, produce hail and heavy downpours. So let's see what you can expect over your area. On Friday, a thick layer of mid and high-level cloud moving over parts of the northern and western Cape, some fog along the coast as well as here in the southern Cape. This includes the Eastern Cape and a few foggy patches in KwaZulu-Natal. Otherwise, we're expecting thunderstorms to develop here in the Northern Cape, later moving over northwest the Free State, becoming scattered over the Eastern Cape, as well as in parts of KwaZulu-Natal, spreading into Mpumalanga. A level 1 warning in place for severe storms likely here in the Eastern Cape and including the Wild Coast. Level 2 warning for KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the Highveld of Mpumalanga, parts of northwest, and this includes Gauteng. But the probability of those severe storms actually developing in Gauteng is more likely over the southern areas of the province. Also, scattered storms expected here in the Northern Cape, Free State. This includes the Eastern Cape. A few of those scattered storms could become severe here over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and later over the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Light winds at first over the central areas of South Africa, and then later we're expecting a northwesterly to easterly wind to blow fresh over the western interior, and that's exactly where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires, with a northeasterly wind later blowing fresh to strong over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal. As mentioned, a thick layer of mid and high-level cloud moving over the Western Cape on Friday. Underneath that cloud band, only 22 degrees in Cape Town and Hermanus, mid to upper 20s expected over the central areas. A comfortable Friday for the southern coastline, partly cloudy skies with temperatures in the mid-20s, but still an onshore southwesterly wind blowing, becoming hot in the Little Karoo, as well as in Beaufort, West Gauteng and Somerset East. Later the wind picking up with isolated to scattered thunderstorms expected to move over large parts of the Eastern Cape after a hot afternoon with temperatures above 30 degrees, upper 20s over the eastern areas, and a few of those storms could likely move over Buffalo City as well as the Wild Coast due to their coast low sitting just off the coast. So isolated thunderstorms later expected over parts of KwaZulu-Natal, a strong northeasterly wind late afternoon in Richards Bay, with thunderstorms becoming scattered here over parts of Kokstad as well as Ladysmith and Newcastle. That's also where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 2 warning for severe storms, as well as here over the Highveld of Mpumalanga near Ermelo, which could result in large amounts of small hail or gusting winds. It's a mainly sunny and hot to very hot day for Limpopo, soaring to a high of 37 in Lephalale, 35 for both Thabazimbi and Bela Bela. In northwest, becoming partly cloudy with isolated to scattered thunderstorms expected over the southern areas and near Taung, with isolated storms near Mahikeng from the afternoon. In the Northern Cape, foggy at first along the coast, and then later that west to northwesterly wind picking up over the western interior, with isolated storms expected over the eastern areas, becoming scattered near the bordering areas of the Free State, with scattered storms expected over the entire Free State. Maximum temperatures the afternoon in the mid and upper 20s. In Gauteng, becoming partly cloudy with scattered storms over the southern areas and isolated thunderstorms over the central parts of Gauteng from the afternoon. On Saturday, the probability of thunderstorms is shifting a little bit more northeastwards over Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. It's a partly cloudy day along the southern coastline and in the Western Cape, with temperatures still remaining in the lower 20s. And then on Sunday, we're expecting lots of cloud here in the Western Cape, only 21 degrees in Cape Town. Warming up over central South Africa, extremely hot in the Northern Cape, 37 in Upington, 36 in Kimberley, with isolated storms over northeastern South Africa. That's all from me. Have a lovely Friday.